In this video, we will discuss about why do we prefer plastic? Because plastic has so many qualities than compared to the other materials. That we'll discuss in this video. Earlier means 30-40 years before, our forefathers were used to carry the things. At the time there was no plastic covers, so they used to carry the things by using either the cloth bags or otherwise with the jute bags they used to bring. And to carry the oils or liquids, they were used the metal things, or metal things only. And to get the grocery items from the shop, the nowadays if you go to the market, you can bring each item is packed in the what is that plastic covers, plastic package. But earlier days, each item they used to get by the paper covers. So they, whatever they want, they can get that quantity, and they covered in the paper, and they get the paper packets. So all these are uh, uh, good for the nature. But this plastic items are very dangerous on the earth, that we'll discuss later. Now, why do we prefer plastics? Plastic items, here I wrote the points, each point wise I will discuss. Actually, this plastic will not corrode easily. Means, suppose in the metal containers, if you store the pickles like chintakaya or any pickles, sour pickles, then that pickles react with the metal containers, and they liberate acids. So due to that, the metal containers are corroded. But these plastic items are not corroded. So, better to use to storage the food items. Not only the food items, even nowadays they are carrying the chemicals in the plastic containers, big drums. Why? When the chemicals are preserved in the metal containers, the chemicals may react with the containers. So it is very dangerous. But these plastic items are not reacting, and they're not corroded. Next, plastic materials will not corrode easily. That's why they are used to store various kinds of materials, including chemicals. Next, these plastic items are very lightweight. For example, you take a metal chair and wooden chair and a plastic chair. Which one is easy to lift? Plastic chair, lightweight. So these plastic items are, and otherwise you take a vessel, cooking purpose. So that plastic is lightweight, and these plastic items are cheaper. Cost wise also they are very cheaper. Metals are all costly items. And these plastic items are also, suppose if you drop any glass items by mistake, then what happens, it breaks, it may break, not it may, it breaks only. But these plastic items are very strong, easily it will not break. And it is easy to carry the things also. For example, earlier, the medicines, syrups, whatever, for health wise we are using that syrups, that we used to get in the glass bottles. Nowadays if you see any medicine, we are getting from the plastic bottle only. It is easy to carry, and it is, they are lightweight, you can throw it, does not affect anything. Next, and these plastic items are durable. And these plastic items you can reuse. The items, when you get bored, then you can reuse it. Means you can sell the plastic items to wholesale shoppers, and they can remold into the different shapes and the sizes. So there they will send to the factories, and there the items they are melting, and they're preparing the new things with the old things by melting. Next, can be recycled, and these plastic items, because of the recycling, they can reuse, and you can color it with the different colors and melt it and rolled. These plastic items are rolled into the wires and sheets. So many properties are there for the plastic items. Due to that, nowadays plastic is occupied in our life. Wherever you see, definitely you may get the plastic things. Without plastic, do you have any room in your house? No. So plastics are very important, and at the same time they're polluting our environment, that we'll discuss later.